Hey everyone, guess what? I've got a little challenge for you. Can you figure out which club I'm currently teaching? It's a surprising twist in my teaching saga that I bet you wouldn't guess right away. So, here's a bit about me for those who might be new around here or if we've lost touch over time. Picture this: a teacher whose life story is a tapestry of experiences across different continents, speaking various languages, and diving into a sea of subjects. My teaching odyssey kicked off in the bustling landscapes of China. Imagine spending 11 incredible years, yep, from 2012 to 2023, soaking up the culture, mastering the language, and teaching with a zeal that knows no bounds. Now, fast forward to the present. I've landed in Toronto, bringing my treasure trove of experiences to a high school here. My days are filled with teaching English, business, leadership, and technology. Talk about a whirlwind of activity that keeps every day fresh and invigorating. Here's where it gets interesting. Beyond the classroom, I've had the chance to lead some pretty cool extracurricular clubs. Started off with a bang in the video editing club last semester, where we unleashed our creativity and told stories through the magic of visuals. But hold your horses, because here comes the curveball. This term, I've taken a leap into something totally unexpected. Drum roll, please. I'm now heading the Mandarin Club. After over a decade in China, you could say I've picked up a thing or two about the language, but it's more than just teaching Mandarin. It's about opening doors to a new world, creating a bridge to understanding a rich culture, and expanding our view of the globe together. So, to all the first-timers, the long-lost friends, and those who've been riding along on this journey, I'm thrilled to have you with us. From China's vibrant heart to Toronto's diverse scene, we're on a quest to explore the crossroads of language, culture, and education.